Welcome to Kitchen Basics 101, where I teach you the bare bone basics as if you've never cooked a day in your life from the perspective of a mom. I was just making peppers and the oven's already on, so I'm like, let's roast some sweet potatoes because I know sometimes side dishes are hard, and I also have a really great main dish that I'm going to make with the leftover sweet potatoes. But first we'll do the side dish. We're just gonna do a roasted sweet potato, easy peasy, rice and cheesy, but we're not gonna cut it up into little cubes. We're just gonna roast them in half. So what I did was I gave them a really good rinse and a scrub because we're gonna eat the skin. And then I'm just knocking off any like really big like woody bits off of it. I'm gonna cut it in half. They're hard, they're firm. Be careful. Make sure you're being careful, okay? Try your best, as always, to get it in half. Was it in half? No, of course not. Look at it. It's never perfect. I mean, it's pretty close, but they're not going to sit perfect anyways, no matter what you do. So again, I'm knocking off the woody bits, little woody bit. If you don't see any woody bits, good for you, great for you. Split them in half. Yeah, best we can. Preheating my oven to 400 because that's all that my oven can take. Not my oven. That's all my parchment paper can take. My parchment paper is rated, I think, up to 400. It might be 450. So I'm going to do mine at 400, but you could bump it up a little if you're not using parchment paper to 425 or 450. I'm going to put a little smidge of olive oil on each potato, and I'm just going to rub it in all over the potato. Let me do all of them. Little dot of oil on each one. You can get it on the skin as well, like on the back side as well. And we're just gonna rub it in to these front sides for sure, because this is the side that we wanna get all roasty and delicious. I mean, I guess we want our skin to get roasty and delicious too, since we're gonna eat it. But we're focused right now on this fleshy side of our sweet potato. Then I'm gonna do a simple salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna salt the surface of each one. Don't be too shy. It's a lot of potato to salt. So salt, then pepper. Now, could you do curry or paprika or Italian? Yes, you could do whatever you want. Like if you make these and then you're like, oh, I wish they were a little spicy. Well, then put a little red pepper flake. If you do it and you go, oh, I wish it was a little more like earthy, put some curry powder. Like, go crazy. You can do whatever you want, but we're going to do them simple, just salt, pepper, olive oil. Then I'm going to flip them flesh side down. So all of them are on their orange fleshy side. Okay, now everyone's flipped over. I am going to put just a smidge, nothing crazy, of oil on the back sides of each one. Just so that if you want to eat this skin, it'll get nice and crispy for you. If you don't want to eat the skin, don't eat the skin. No one's going to make you eat the skin, but you can eat the skin if you want to eat the skin. That's all I'm saying. But, you know, I might not. We'll see. I tend to like regular potato skin more than sweet potato skin myself. But just in case, I'm going to put a little salt and a little oil on the back sides. Putting them in my 400-degree oven. My plan is about 50 minutes, but I'm gonna put it on for 45, and then I'm gonna give one a little stab with a fork and see how soft it is and see how much caramelization I have coming out of the bottom. Thank God for forgiving food, because I missed the timer at 45 minutes and never checked on my potatoes because I was upstairs doing chores. Might be burnt. We're gonna check and we're gonna taste and we're gonna see. But definitely got crispy and delicious and amazing. So we'll taste one that definitely doesn't look burnt. And we'll taste one that does, just to see where we're at. But look at how gorgeous. Hello? Drizzle some hot honey, put some butter and some cinnamon. Go crazy, or just eat them like they are. They're screaming crazy hot, but we're gonna taste. I mean, look at this gorgeous queen with her like lacy, caramely, crunchy goodness. All right, let's try the inside. Look at the smoke. So hot. This is the burnt one, but I think it's probably not. I think it's probably delicious. Scared. So good. Not burnt even a little bit. Sweet, savory, smoky, easy. Did you see how easy it was? So easy. I kind of want to taste the skin to see. By the way, this is with no butter, no brown sugar, no any of that. Could you add all that? Sure, but these are absolutely delicious just the way they are. I want to try this lacy, crunchy bit of skin on the end. So good. Salty, crunchy, savory, but also sweet. Like, amazing. Great side dish. I'm also going to use these roasted sweet potatoes to make a main dish tomorrow or the next day as leftovers. So I look forward to that. Love you guys. Also, just FYI, if you're new here, there are playlists, and there's a playlist that says side dishes, because I saw a lot of people saying like, oh, what about side dishes? There's one that's main dishes and one that's side dishes and one that's called like 30 minutes or less. So if you're looking for something specific, you can go there, look. Okay, love you guys again. Bye.